Want to know the true health of your car? Want to avoid spending a lot of money to go to the repair shop? Black Friday Carnival is coming early. Whether you are a car owner or a car enthusiast, easily diagnose faults, monitor battery health in real time, and say goodbye to expensive repair costs. This Black Friday, you will get professional-level car maintenance tools at incredible prices to ensure that your car is always as good as new, giving you a more worry-free driving experience. OBDR scanner, real-time data monitoring, track engine status and sensor readings at any time to ensure driving safety. DTC readings, quickly identify and clear fault codes to avoid unnecessary repair costs. Wide compatibility, support major car brands around the world to meet your diverse needs. Battery analyzer, accurate detection, quickly analyze battery health, find potential problems, and extend battery life. Easy to use. The intuitive interface and simple operation make it easy for you to understand the battery status. Professional performance, suitable for all types of batteries. Whether it is a sedan, SUV, or motorcycle, it can be easily handled. Search Donald's Home on Amazon. More discounts are waiting for you.